Good evening. I thought I'd say some words about due to inclement weather. Um, Tomorrow's class, November 20th, will not be held online. Any questions, please give me a call or email. I will return promptly. However, let's talk a little bit about November 20th final report, which is due on week 15. We are now in week 13, only a couple weeks left. Most of you have done very well. I'm very happy about that. Friday, December 13th is all information is due. That's also the end of dead week. So should have no problem getting in all of your required data and information. Final report due Friday, December 13th. Dr. Glauer and myself will do all the grading on following week, get it in the Blackboard, and you see how you did. So let's talk about final report, ECE 401, homework number 9, 101 demo. So let's go over here and we're going to click on this. I'm going to share a screen, and when we look at our final report, we want to look here. Okay, final report, 101 demo. Schedule a half-hour time to demonstrate your final project. And requires a functioning PCB. Now, what does that mean? It means just like it says. You had all semester, the PCBs have been designed, everyone, there should be no reason for them not to work. Schedule a half-hour time to demonstrate the final project. You and your partner will sign up. There will be a sign-up sheet outside of Dr. Glauer's office. You will be able to take any time available that is listed December 9th through the 13th, except for Tuesday, which is the expo. December 10th is the expo. It's held every semester. That will be over at the Union. We encourage you all to go. We want to see your posters and your breadboard over there as well. We will have a table, and we usually tack up the posters, demonstrate them, and if you want to come over and explain your mini project, the many people will be there, even from industry. So please come over and do that. And they do have lemonade, coffee, cookies, all that stuff. And it goes from noon to 3 o'clock. You do not have to sit there all day. You can sit there for half an hour, 20 minutes, whatever you want to do. But a lot of people show up. Next thing, let's talk about your poster. We do have certain requirements. These are all graded on. Poster has to be 11 inches by 17 inches in size. 11 inches high, 17 inches wide. It has to show the group designator. The project name has to be listed. You are going to use the NDSU format. Week 16 on Bison Academy shows you a couple of format examples. That is what you have to use as a format. The project description and requirements have to be included. Applications, the component list or bill of materials, that can come right from an Excel. You create your own, or you can get that right off of Fusion 360, print it out, put it on your report. Applications, what was your mini project? What will it do? What could you use it for? Component and circuit lab. All of you have already created a circuit lab schematic. All this information is in your OneNote. PCB schematic, of course. Then I want you to send your design files to Ashpark. And when you do that, first thing is going to show up is an image of the top of the PCB and the bottom of the PCB. You're going to copy those and paste them into your posters, as well as put them in OneNote. And formulas. What are the formulas? You don't use a lot of formulas in this, but there are some. You use a 555 timer. How did you figure up your RC time constant? There's formulas for that. All of you remember the formulas for how do you drive a transistor in saturation? You got base current times the beta. Has to be greater than the collector current. That's a formula. Ohm's law, that's a formula. Put something in there. How to order posters. Once your poster is completed, you're going to save it as a PDF. You're going to send it to me as well as Dr. Glower, and I will do the ordering. I'll send that over to Design and Shop, the poster place, and we have an account over there, and they will be printed out and brought over, and they will be in Dr. Glower's office. Your posters are due by December 5th. Hopefully you can get them done before then. It does take a while to get these posters made, printed out. So December 5th is a deadline that you need to meet. Updated lab notebooks should include the previous mini project assignments, the bill of materials in Excel Pro format. You are looking at the schematic, the front and back picture of the PCB from Ashpark, the test point signals from Circuit Lab, breadboard, PCB as it's shown, and your test points. 9 volt, which is your VBAT, 5 volt is VREG, ground, input, output, collector, that's your voltage at collector, VC. Expo posters are due. Everything should be wrapped up and finished by week 15. That's Friday or Friday the 13th, December 13th. You should have everything wrapped up. So we will be in touch and go from there. Anybody that needs to finish their test equipment, just find a time, come and find Dr. Glower or myself, and we will go over that with you. Make sure that you finish your other assignments as well. Information for Blackboard has all been updated. So if you don't like your grade, you are missing some assignments. And we will go with that. That's all I have for now. And we'll talk to you later. Thank you.